All right, fellow wilderness enthusiasts, ready to sharpen your edge? Let's dive in. Facing an unexpected night out in the freezing cold wilderness? Don't let hypothermia be your end. When temperatures plummet, this simple emergency winter survival hack can literally save your life and prevent frostbite. We're talking about a classic survival technique, using just a small candle inside your bivvy sack or poncho shelter. How does this cold weather strategy work? It leverages the simple warmth of that tiny flame to create a surprisingly effective microclimate. The trapped air inside your bivvy sack or rain poncho warms significantly, raising the ambient temperature just enough to combat extreme cold, prevent frostbite, and keep you warm through the night. This is an essential, life-saving survival tip for anyone venturing into the backcountry. If you found this winter survival guide helpful, please like this video, share it with fellow adventurers, and subscribe for more essential outdoor and survival tips. Stay safe out there!